So, I'm back here in my room for 1 week. After 1 week, nagbakasyon ako sa kabilang Ibayo. At ngayon, nagbabalik na ako dito sa aking kwarto. Ngayon, saan tayo pupunta? Haba-haba pa ang araw. Pauwi kaya ng Pinas. Uwi tayo! Tara! Sige, bibili akong ticket sa bus. Tapos impake tayo maya-maya. May ticket na tayo sa bus.
Wow!
Dapat gabi ako mabiyahe, pero morning na. Isa na lang talaga available. Buti na lang umabot tayo. Then, book tayo ng ticket. Okay, we got our ticket. Natin kalilimutan yung SSO. Complete pa natin. Photocopy na rin tayo ng mga ilang documents para just in case kailanganin, meron tayong kopya. Ito ay vaccination card. Okay, vaccination card. Okay, so we got ticket, passport, and vaccination card. May mga documents na tayo. So, ATK na lang. So, pwede naman yun sa Monday na kuhanin. Hahanap pa tayo. And now, tara na mag-impake. Agad-agad. Today, pabangkok na tayo. Tapos bukas yung flight na natin. Overnight muna tayo sa pinsan ko. Tatulog na lang. Totoo nga. Uuwi na tayo. Bye. Igo muna ako, then gora na.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah.
madadat na ako dito, kumakain siya. Requirement sa bahay na ito, mag 80K pagdating.
Kasi kung saan ba kasi lumalog ka galing.
Gas-gas na yung ilong ko.
Tapos bukas mag-itig.
Oo.
Maayos pa yung brand na yan. Baka naman...
Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself. I can't help it.
Negative tayo.
May red pa kaya?
To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak Southern slang and smoke license. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, no. To all local international codes, whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
And don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly and still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece.
Mag-80K muna tayo. Kasi requirement yun para sa mag-lipat.
Y'all question death, and I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat box.
Hey, we're here. Pasok na tayo sa departure area. Ito tayo. Airport na tayo. Here. So, totoo na to. Nakatapak na ulit tayo ng Pilipinas. After 3 years. At 2020, oh yeah, 3 years. Okay, so 9 AM pa naman yung plane. Nandito tayo ng 7 o'clock. Actually, 3:30 nandito na ako kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mga gagawin. So, mas maganda na yung maaga kaysa malate. Okay? Yan. Wala masyadong tao pa. Nakakamiss ang airport. Marami na rin mga tao, bukas sa tindahan. Sana tuloy-tuloy. Okay, so see you in Philippines! Hi, nandito na tayo sa aeroplano. As usual. Wala na naman akong katabi. Bintana tayo. So ito na yun, hindi ito inodoro. Kasi bintana talaga siya ng aeroplano. So, actually wala masyado nakakaalam na uuwi tayo. Kahit si nanay at tatay hindi alam. So, let's see what will happen. Let's go sa go!
Regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively
Happy birthday. Hindi mo pa rin nakilala. Diyan mo na. Ay, hindi mo pa rin nakilala.